Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are at Silver Dollar City and we are going to go celebrate the Saloon Show and our 50th anniversary. So
come with us.
So we are headed down the hill to go get in line for the Saloon Show down at the Silver Dollar Saloon at the bottom of the hill. To know where it's located, it's right next to Hugo's Cheesesteaks and Fire in the Hole. It's hard to miss. You got a guy out front saying, come see the finest girls in the city at the Silver Dollar Saloon. It was open in 1973, hence its 50-year anniversary.
Are you sure that's it?
I'm sure that's it. So, with that being said, it is one of the places to get a wonderful root beer float, which Ashley is not a big fan of. She doesn't like root beer, but that's okay. But we highly suggest whenever you go get in line for this, get in line 30 minutes before the show starts, so that way you are for sure to get a seat.
At least.
At least. And then after the show, a new place has opened, and so we are going to give you guys a little walkthrough of that. Also, we were told that the Silver Dollar Saloon's show was new and special for the 50th anniversary, that it has been changed up. So we're going to let you go experience some of that, not all of it, just due to the fact that we want you guys to come and experience it on your own as well, because we don't want to show you the full show and then maybe ruin it for you. So anyway, that being said, we will see you guys when we get to the Silver Dollar Saloon. We have made it to the Silver Dollar Saloon, and there it is. Join the celebration, 50 years of high kickin' life. So we are here 30 minutes ahead of time, and as you can see, the line is rather short. And these people beat us here, so there's Ash already going to get our place in line. But anyway, we will see you guys when we get inside. Alright, we've made it inside. So we're gonna sit here and wait for the show.
That's more like it. Well, welcome to the Silver Dollar Saloon. My name is Bart, and I'm the owner of this happy little establishment. And we're so happy to have y'all here today to help us celebrate 50 years of music, dancing, and laughter right here in the Silver Dollar Saloon. Thank you. And we got quite a celebration show for y'all today. But first... Are you kidding me? Ooh, I knew those two shysters couldn't be trusted. Now, I paid good money to the production team of Roots and Coons to get us this here sign and to produce this year's 50th celebration show.
Well, I haven't seen hide nor hair of them. Just this sign that won't lie. Well, I could have told you that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Thank you, ladies. Perhaps it's time for y'all to head backstage and get ready for the show?
Okay.
Thank you. Well, folks, we'll get right to that show, but first a few announcements. First, make them laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. I'll be standing in line for those old coffee tops must be shine, or you can study Shakespeare and be quite an elite, or you can charm the critics that have nothing to eat. Just slip on a banana, feel the world at your feet. Make them laugh, make them laugh, make them laugh. Whoa, hey, hi. Make them roar, make them scream, take up a lot of wall, split a seam. You start off by pretending you're a dancer with grace. You wiggle till they're giggling all over the place, and then you get a breaking custard pie in the face. Make them laugh, make them laugh, make them laugh.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you, please. Applause. Thank you. We're here. The show can begin.
That's right.
Wow.
Hey, yo,
You got a band?
No,
I
you
didn't
can't
think
just
you could
barge
afford
on my
that. flats? And is there any way we can widen this proscenium? Come on, people, work with me. Fabian, would you put your eyes back in your head and pass out the scripts, please?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Who are we? Who are we? Maestro, give me a C. A bouncy C.
And I'll take a bowl of Fruit Loops.
Well, we don't serve that.
I'm Roots, he's Coons, we're Roots and Coons.
And Coons and Roots.
We'll tell some jokes, we'll sing our song.
Bad reviews, we move along.
Hey, kid.
Ooh, it looks like we're singing Paganini.
No.
I'm a little teapot.
Bye.
Oh, page 9.
Okay, let's get started, shall we? Fabian, you take the girls backstage.
Well, wait a minute. I'm not so sure about this.
Bill, lead boy. Why don't you just let me do what I do?
It's Bart.
Right. Well, tomato, potato, you know what they say?
Tomato,
I think you're really gonna like what I've worked up for the girls.
Oh.
All I gotta do now is come up with just the right introduction. Fabian! Whoa! Scared me.
Scared you? It's a good thing I'm wearing this raincoat.
Does that help?
Depends. You gotta love those mature audiences.
Yeah, all right. Look, I need you to help Brad here with the big introduction.
Look, I'll take care of the introductions, but I could use your help. Do you really think you can get that sign working?
Sure. What I've noticed is your main trunk line there, well, that goes all the way up that way, and then right along that catwalk. I'm thinking you got a herd of feral cats. Probably chewing on your flux capacitors.
Or maybe there's just a bulb out upstairs.
Sure. I got that problem too.
Could you just go up and fix it for me?
No problem, Bob. Yeah, kitty, kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty.
My name is Bart. Okay, yeah, well, folks, at this time we would like to feature the lovely Miss Roots and the Silver Dollar Gal.
I'm gonna scale the mountains before me. I'm gonna dream and reach for the sky. Not to let self-doubt and fear destroy me. I'll stand up to the pain and power through the
hasn't been that long that we've been dancing and singing our song. We've got the girls to make the men swoon. It's all right here in the saloon. We've had our share of bad guys. Me Murphy comes to mind. We've had our share of goofballs. Charlie's dumb,
but very kind.
15 years of song and dance. Every now and then even Charlie would prance and round the bend. Yeah. Okay, well folks, I'm sure we're in for a real treat here. Please welcome to the stage Fabian and Miss Roots.
Thank you.
Ballet.
That's right. What? Don't laugh. I get no respect. Ow.
Oh, what'd you do, pull a hammy?
That may have been my pastrami. I ain't good with my muscle groups.
Well, you look like a bottle of Pepto-Bismol.
I ain't nearly that soothing. Here we go.
I'll do it. Hey.
I'm okay.
Yeah, come on, make finish. Oh yeah. What? Thank you. Thank you very much. Come on. That's culture.
No. These people did not pay good money to see
Bart,
that.
I done it. Miss Tilly, go ahead and flip the switch there.
Wait a minute. Would this have something to do with it?
Maybe, and
That ain't my fault now. As much as we'd all like to see what happens, try the outlet back there.
Okay.
But now my mirror's broken.
You're worried about a broken mirror? I'm worried about a broken Fabian.
I got my head stuck in the pot.
Yeah, you sure did. Let me get you out of that. Right here. Okay, there we go. Okay.
What?
Well, thank you very much.
That's funny. Well, hey, this sign is just what I ordered. Thank you.
You're welcome, Bart. And you know what? I have a feeling that this is the beginning of a beautiful partnership. Take us home, man! What do you say?
Make them laugh, make them laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad.
All right, so that show was actually really neat. Like, and it is updated, so our information was not wrong. Like we maybe thought it could have been, but
it was really good actually. I liked it. I enjoyed
it really did have a good story
Had
to
some
it.
great jokes and some great singing and dancing.
Yes, it did. it keeps the charm of what the saloon show always was.
And I like the mention of the previous shows and characters. That was kind of nice.
It was really nice. So now we are going to step over here to Fried Fancies and do a little walkthrough and show you all the new stuff that's over there, and we will see you guys when we get over there. It's actually just right over there, so it's not gonna take long. We might just jump right into it, so see you then. So this is the outside of Fried Fancies, as the rendering is very spot on to what it showed before. The funnel cakes, corn dogs, and chicken tenders is where you will get these things now. It looks very nice and chic. Very yellow and green and red feeling. There's a cool Coca-Cola sign over there. And Ash really wants to point out the...
like Coca-Cola barrels and stuff. It's really cool.
It is very neat. So you order right here at that line right there. And we're going to get a little closer and give you a shot of the menu here in a second. So let's get over here to the menus and I'll show you those when we get there. This is what the menu looks like. You've got hand-breaded chicken breast tenders. There's a 3-piece and a 5-piece option. There's even a kids chicken tender meal option. There are hand-dipped corn dogs, regular jumbo with curly fries. You can even add cheese to them. And your funnel cake options are strawberry chocolate chip, which sounds kind of good. Salted caramel chocolate cheesecake. That actually sounds way better than the strawberry, in my opinion. Powdered sugar or glaze, which is regular. And then, of course, you've got your drink options of a fountain soda, which is Coke products, coffee, hot chocolate, or hot cider, which seems to be an option all year long, and, of course, some Dasani water. So these are the options. We're going to head over to the dining area and show you what the new picnic dining type style is like. See you over there. So we're making our way around the side to the dining area over here. As you can see, there are some tables that are wide open right here that are kind of out in the sun, whereas you have a small pavilion area very similar to the one over by the Rivertown Smokehouse, and it is enclosed and has fans, and it looks like it even has some heaters for whenever it is cold out. Very beautifully done, matches and everything. Plenty of space to eat, and just lots of extra seating, which is important. And you've got a great view of the waterfall back there in the background. So there's even a lower level down below right over there that you can go sit and see the waterfall. Then, of course, this little pathway walks you back up over there by Wildfire and the American Plunge. So that's going to conclude our day here at Silver Dollar City. It was a beautiful day.
Yes.
Very beautiful. The park was packed,
Yes.
which we really like to see. Been a little spoiled with it not being so full since school is out now. But anyway, the Saloon Show 50th anniversary, so much fun. We
Worth
are
seeing, for sure.
very worth seeing. We are very excited to see what Fried Fancies is going to offer. We'll have to try that the next time we come, maybe eat there.
Maybe a funnel cake.
Maybe a funnel cake or a corn dog or something. Yep, so anyway, with that being said, if you don't want to miss any more of our Silver Dollar City videos or any of our theme park videos or news, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification.
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.